guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deonna. If you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back. So today we're going to be doing my Ipsy versus Ipsy for the month of September. As you can see, one of them came kind of ugly. So I do get two Ipsy profiles if you're new to my channel. One of them is just my regular profile, and one is geared more towards skincare. So the first one that I want to open is going to be my skincare bag. So the bag this month is super cute. This is how it looks. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a $10 a month beauty subscription where you get, I think it's 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 beauty size samples. Sometimes you get full size products. And yeah, first thing we get here is the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. And then I think it's a coupon on the back. Okay, so the first item is the Creme Shop Double Cleanse 2-in-1 facial foam. This is a daily cleanser and makeup remover with green tea and white lily rice water. This is some Korean skincare, and it's supposed to be brightening as well. So I'm actually really excited about that, and it definitely matches the profile. This is my skincare bag, so I'm excited to try that. The next thing I have here is this LXMI Cream Day Nail. I have no idea what this is. It just says massage into facial skin morning and evening. Next thing I have is a brush, and this is by Luxie, and I actually really like Luxie brushes. I got a Luxie brush from Ipsy before, and I really liked it, and it's a detailed tapered blending brush. This is the Luxie 140 brush, so that's cute. Okay, next I got this Thank Me Later face primer in mattifying by Elizabeth Mott, which I do have oily skin, and so that's going to definitely be good for me. And the last thing I have is this Catherine Natural Cosmetics eyeshadow, Coffee Talk eyeshadow in espresso. So I'm assuming it's a brown eyeshadow. Yeah, Coffee Talk palette, and this is just an eyeshadow in espresso, which is a really nice brown eyeshadow, good to have in my collection. I could probably even, that's deep enough for me to even contour with. So that's what I got in my skincare bag. So now we're going to open up this one that's all ugly. So same exact bag, there's no variation. This one, the products are heavier though. This one was kind of thin. This bag is so cute. Alright, so first thing I have is, dang, this one's all messed up too. It's a nail polish in Pretty Woman. Yeah, I think that's the brand. Pretty Woman is the brand. So this is nail polish. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it's just this cute little nude nail polish, which is cute. It's something I would wear. So that's the first item that I got. The next thing I got here, which is something I'm actually excited about. I love this. Probably everyone's gotten a sample of this in some sort of beauty subscription, but it's the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. Maybe I've only tried the regular one. I don't know if the one I tried before was age defying. But this is a cute little tube, and I love Dr. Brandt products. They're super, the exfoliators are bomb. So I'm excited about this. I'm surprised it didn't come in my skincare bag. Oh, and then I got another Luxie Detail Small Taper Brush, which is weird because as long as I've been doing this, is my third month. Actually, no, this is I think my second month getting two bags. And I didn't have any repeats last month, but this is my first repeat. So maybe I'm going to put that in the giveaway box for sure, because I am starting a little giveaway box, and I don't need two of the same brushes. Next here is this Joe Hansen London Expert Color Intensive Mask for all hair types. It's a pretty big bottle, but it doesn't feel like it's full. So it's kind of like one of those trick products, I think. Yeah, it doesn't. The product doesn't start till like right there. So okay, the last thing I have is this Scone Tattooed waterproof eyeliner in jet black. Alright you guys, so that is everything I received in both of my Ipsy bags this month. I do think my skincare bag won this month because I'm way more excited about more products in that one. The primer I'm really excited to try, the facial cleanser, the brush, and I actually am happy I got this brown eyeshadow because I'm probably going to use it as a contour shade. And in my regular bag, I was excited about the brush if I hadn't already got it. The mask, I'm kind of excited about, and then this, but really, it would just be these two products if I didn't already get this brush. So I do think skincare won. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, what bag was better. Let me know what you guys get. If you guys get an Ipsy, I'll leave a link down in the description box below if you want to sign up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, you made it to the end of this video, you might as well go ahead and subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video.